We're all superheroes at heart.
Hello and welcome to my CGC unboxing number 44. Now, I know I said it was going to be a while uh, before I do the next one, but I'd forgotten I had submitted 7 books from an event in Tokyo where they were signed. So those have been submitted. They've come back now. So let's have a look what we got. Now, I want to preface this by saying, obviously, it's going to be a disaster if any of them are green, right? Because they're all witnessed. But when it comes to the grading, obviously 9.8s are ideal, and these are all 9.8 candidates. But when it comes to signed books, I'm kind of flexible because they get handled. So 9.6s are okay with me. Below that, I'm not very happy. But anyway, let's see what we got. So they are all yellow label, so there's no greens. So let's see what we got. So first out is Predator versus Wolverine #1. It's a beautiful, Incredible Hulk 340 homage by Mike McCone and 9.8. Next, we've got Iron Man. This is #1, but this is a facsimile edition with a new cover. It's a Dice and Comics Cafe edition, which is a local comic shop in Korea. And it's signed by Bob Layton in a 9.8. And there should be a Virgin edition of that. Yep, here it is. Here is the Virgin edition of that same book, but also the 9.8, but without the trade dress. Oh, now one book that does seem to have been, I can see some damage there. So this is Space Usagi Death and Honor #1, signed and sketched by the cover artist Agnes Garbowska. And it's a 9.2, unfortunately. And that is not pressable. So, okay. Next one is X-Men #1. This is by cover artist Ryan Gonzalez. This is Things from Another World edition. This has become, I think she said it's become like a Marvel Snap, one of the cards. Anyway, it's a great cover, signed and sketched in a 9.8. Next one here is Something is Killing the Children #31. This is a Derek Chew cover, Carnival Comics foil edition. It's a pretty big sketch, and it's also 9.8. And the last one in the book is a Spawn 346, which is a Carl New cover. I think it's a great Spawn cover. It's not a key or anything, but it's a 9.8. So just the one disappointment. Everything else was great. So that's it for a while, really, this time. And thanks for watching all the way to the end. See you in the future. Bye.